Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken luncheon. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. Next, prepare your seasonings like 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Ensure all equipment, such as a food processor and loaf pan, is ready for use. This guide will walk you through each step for a delightful homemade treat. For our chicken luncheon, you will need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, which can be breast or thigh meat. We'll also use 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 large egg to help bind everything together. Essential seasonings include 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder for flavor. Combine all these ingredients in a food processor and blend until you achieve a very smooth, uniform paste, ensuring no large chunks remain. Once your chicken mixture is perfectly blended, firmly press it into a greased loaf pan, ensuring there are no air pockets. Cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil. This helps to steam the luncheon and keep it moist during cooking. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 1 hour, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit and it feels firm when gently pressed. After baking, it is crucial to let your chicken luncheon cool completely in the loaf pan on a wire rack. Once cooled, refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or even overnight before slicing. This chilling process helps it firm up, making it much easier to slice thinly and evenly with a sharp knife. Store any leftover luncheon in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days, perfect for quick meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.